Okay. I got the tent off,
Good start.
Okay.
Funny because he doesn't even know what that means.
Go Jesus. Anyways, and got the rack off. Got a new tent coming, hopefully tomorrow. So Mike and I are just gonna adjust it because it's about the same length as his. And my other one was sitting a little bit below the roof, so that's not gonna work. So we're gonna raise it up a couple inches, put it all back together, and then, oh, there's Mike. Oh, back on. And probably pull it back off and paint it because, as you can see, when I got the brackets fixed, I didn't paint him because I was really lazy.
We had every intentions of doing it.
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. That was a lot of intention in doing it, but lazy. So we're gonna adjust it, put it back on, and if I don't like the way it looks, I'll send the tent back and get a different one. Classic. Okay, so I was sitting. Mine's fine. Mike tripped.
Oh, where my heel? Glad everybody's seen that because we're safe BC, here he come.
Okay, the Jeep is blocking it.
Oh.
Ready? Yeah. Okay, next day, adjusted the rack, got to readjust it again, but new tent showed up.
It weighs about 15 pounds.
Times 250. It's a 180-pound tent. Feels heavier than that. But yeah, I think it's going to be pretty good.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
And all that insulation.
Mm-hmm. It's got the little breathable mat under there.
That's what it is for. These are like rails.
I don't know.
No, if there's instructions.
Yeah, no instructions, but I guess that's Amazon special. Or they could be in the ladder bag. Probably not.
I like how we don't even, you say that, we just look at it.
Yeah. But yeah, everything's well insulated. But I just got to adjust a couple racks on the top of my rack, and we'll see how it goes here. Yeah.
Good thing the camera started rolling after you jumped up.
I still didn't turn it on.
It's okay. Jen just put it here. Oh!
I'm trying to be a nice wife.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
As I'm like, oh, it burns. It's gonna be a struggle. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
She was like, I don't care.
It is a tent.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh. You're what? Oh.
Just a second.
Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a clear.
Closing it would be a lot harder.
Yeah,
But it's also
you're
designed.
sober when you close it. You're drunk when you open it.
Yeah. It's designed to close one side at a time anyway.
Alrighty, guys. I got everything installed on the Jeep. Got the tent open, the awning's on. Works pretty well. It just needs to be raised quarter inch more. It just hits the door right here when I open it. So I just got to re-drill the holes and raise it a smidge. But everything works pretty good. I'm quite happy with it. Yeah, I think the tent's gonna... Oh, it's dark. Holy moly. I think the tent's gonna work out pretty good. Oh yeah. It's a little dark, but nice net. The winter lining. And then the lights are up there. Run right along there. Yeah, I think this will do me and the wife just fine. We'll see when I close it up. But I did notice that it rained a little bit and I washed the Jeep. There's just a little bit of moisture right there, but I don't think it's gonna be too bad. But we'll see what it's like to close up here, but I'm pretty happy with it. They all have the screen, the doors, the rain cover. Not so bad. Well, I got the tent all closed up. Not quite as easy as I was hoping. Gonna take a little bit of learning how to close this one up. I think everything has to be rolled up. The windows have to be rolled up and held in their little things they got there, but should be fine. That's how it was when I first opened it originally. The windows were rolled up, all the little rain flaps were rolled up. So I'll have to do that again because try to tuck it all back in. Bit of a pain in the butt. But for the price, yeah, I don't know. As long as me and the wife can fit in it and it's comfy, it's all that matters.